gonna throw a penny in it. Alright, I made a wish. Okay, we finally made it. Wow, I think we're first. Oh, hello. How many people are there? 3. Alright, you guys can go ahead and sit. Also, today, we have a unicorn special. So, everything pretty much is unicorn themed or mermaid themed. Mostly unicorn, though. Oh, okay. And rainbow themed, but yeah, most of that. Oh, okay. Okay, so right here is your menu. Would you guys like any drinks? Well, since it's unicorn themed, can I have a, surprise me with a unicorn drink, with one of the unicorn drinks. Alright. I'll take a blueberry, what is it called? Slushy, yes. Okay. I'll take a blueberry smoothie. Alright, I'll go ahead and grab one. Alright. Alright, I'm here with everybody's drinks. So, for you, ma'am, we got you a ombre blueberry slushy. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. It very much is. And then since you wanted a blueberry smoothie, slushy, there it is. And your blueberry smoothie. Oh, and I'll grab this for you guys so it's not in the way. Alright, enjoy your drinks and tell me when you guys are done. Just say Gerald. Oh, okay. Will do. Okay. May I take your order? Yes, can we please have, can I have a big, is it called a jellyfish jello? Yes, it is. Alright, and then also some unicorn, I think it's called poop jello. Alright. Anything else for a big meal? A big meal? Some of that. Oh, that unicorn meat stuff. That looks like jello. Alright, what about you, sir? Oh, me? Can I have, unicorn rice balls, or rainbow rice balls, whatever they're called. They're definitely called, rainbow rice balls. And can I have 4 blueberry green sandwiches? Alright, what about you, sir? Can I have a ginormous thing of, unicorn poop jello? Alright, anything else? Yes, a hot chocolate rainbow fart. Alright, anything else? No. Okay. Alright, here's your hot cocoa, rainbow rice balls. Here is this. We have a lot of these ones, but, and then this. I have no idea who this is for. I think that's for you, sir. This. And this. So that is all you guys ordered. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Can I have a fork or a knife? I'll give you a knife. Thank you for the fork. No problem. You guys are done. You guys are done with your drinks, right? Yes. Yes, we were. What they said. Okay. Ooh, yum. I don't really need the fork. This is so delicious. We're definitely going here every day. Wait, they don't always serve unicorn stuff. What? Yeah, this is just like a special. Oh. Anyway. Okay, whatever. Mmm. These are so delicious. I'm gonna try these rainbow rice balls. That is delicious. Let's try some of this. Mmm. I think mine's the best, to be honest. No, it's not. That is just rude. Okay, whatever. Oh. Are you guys done? Yes, we are. Yep. Alright, well, I'll take everything you guys have really quickly. I'll be right back with your guys' receipt and all that jazz. Alright. Oh, you guys have your, what are you guys paying with? Cash or card? Card. Also put a 15% tip for yourself. Oh, alright, thank you. Beep. Okay. There you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, hello. How many people? 4 people. All right. Come on. What would you guys like to drink? Also, there's a unicorn special, so, yeah. There's just a unicorn special, so there's a lot of unicorn things, but there's also just normal drinks, and, yeah. Ooh, a unicorn special. Ooh, okay. Can I have some, for a drink, right? Yes. Can I have some, a lime smoothie? Alright. What about you? I'll take a unicorn smoothie, whatever type. Alright, what about you guys? I'll take a unicorn smoothie, whatever type too. Or, you know what, just surprise me. Alright, and what about you, ma'am? Oh, May. I'll take a unicorn, whatever, drink. Okay. Alright, guys, I got it. Yours. Smoothie. There you go. I'll give you guys your menu. And now you guys can go ahead and I'll be back in a second when I think you guys will order. We're ready. Oh, okay. What do you guys want? Well, me first. I'll take, because this is a dessert place, right? Yes. Okay. Well, I'll take, whatever that pink sparkly thing with the ice creams bowl is. Do you mean unicorn, like, shatter? Yes. Alright. What about you, ma'am? Oh, I'll take blueberry sandwiches. Alright, Jello blueberry sandwiches. What about you guys? I will take, rainbow rice balls. I'll take a whole entire, surprise me. Okay. Alright. Here you go. I don't think, I think it was you who wanted this. Rice balls. Oh. Here you go. And that. Enjoy. You can take our drinks away. Alright. Alright guys, enjoy. Oops. Looks like my hunger got to me. My rice balls! Those aren't even mine. Sorry, Mom. Take your unicorn poop. It's not unicorn poop. Are you guys done? Yes. Yes, we are. Okay, I will, so you guys can give me, are you guys paying with cash or credit card? We're paying with credit card. Alright, I'll be right back. Are you guys done? Yes, take the credit card and just pay because we have to go to the mall. Okay. Beep. Alright, here you guys go. Thanks. Let's go. And we're out. Oh. Wow, that's delicious. Oh, hey guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.